Hello everyone, welcome to this episode of Monster Digital where we'll be unboxing the OPPO Reno 14. This generation of Reno comes in a silver colored box with the signature fish scale texture. A fully transparent phone case, full coverage design with a somewhat hard back panel and an 80-watt charger set. The phone is in a midsummer green color, and it's just like a larger version of the iPhone mini I have. It features the same large R-angle flat screen design with a comfortable 6.539-inch size. There is no plastic bracket, just extremely narrow black borders with the same right-angle metal frame. The edges have a slight curve and naturally connect with the screen back panel, making it comfortable to hold. The Reno 14's back panel, made with the same cold carved glass method, has a delicate, skin-friendly velvet texture, feeling much like baby skin. It hardly leaves any fingerprints, although this time the focus is on the mermaid princess color scheme with fish scale patterns. I still prefer the understated and elegant style of the Banksia green. The camera module and the back panel are made from a single piece of glass using an integrated cold carving process with finely detailed edges. The processing is very meticulous, with a natural transition. The module surface uses a glossy finish, and although it is the same color as the back panel, it presents a different feel under the light. This time the imaging system is a triple camera setup, officially called the Condensed Light Star Window Lens Group. Two of them are surrounded by silver rings resembling the iPhone and are called Dynamic Star Bronze. The third lens is precisely on the perpendicular bisector of the line connecting these two, and it is encased together with the decorative ring above by a silver racetrack ring, with the words AI Camera in the middle. Below are the flash, decorative ring and lens, all equidistant. I really appreciate OPPO's attention to detail. The Reno 14's thickness is very well managed at just 7.42mm, and it weighs only 187 grams. The appearance and texture are impressive. The OPPO Reno 14 is a stunning European phoenix.